Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel and hope so you all are right. So welcome to another new video. In this video I tell you how you can repair your AC spring corals. So in this video I tell you an agency who can repair your AC corals at your home. So for this process first you need to go Chrome browser, and here you can search AC repair coral springs. There's also the service are also available in US or other countries. So this is the interface. This is the first website. Click here and you saw a new interface. So in this portion you need to fill your AC model, and when you scroll there are some rating of this website. This is high quality and trusted AC repair professional. Get the peace of mind knowing that you will have trusted and high quality professionals submitting estimates for central air repair. AC repairs professional in our network have year of experience. You will be estimates. Our AC repairs contractors can tackle all projects from big to small and provide advice to central air repair. We will make help the process easier by finding you the right professionals for your project. Get started by searching your zip code. So in this paragraph, in this article, he tell you that you need to enter your zip code for your AC repair. Zip code is basically your company country area code. So this is the interface. You need to click your AC model. Like I have window AC, so I click window AC. So there's the interface. Yes, single family home, condo, townhouse, office, commercial. Single family home, I have single family home. Ready to hire, planning and budgeting. So here you can bargain. And how soon as you're looking to start this project? Immediately, within few weeks, or not sure, flexible, immediately. Are you currently the owner of the property? Yes. No. But I am authorized to make improvement? No. Yes. So here you can give your this field is also required any other information that is important. So here you can give the important information about your AC. So this team come and take your AC from your home and service it and make your AC renew. So hope so you like my today video. Please like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.